Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Starlord from Guardians of the Galaxy. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw the mask with in the eye area first. So this part's going to be easy. It's going to be 2 circles. So just draw one and another one kind of far apart. Okay, and then from there, we're gonna draw in the middle. Just draw like almost like a sad face. And then from here, just slant it up, and then draw a straight line. Okay, and then on the top here, just kind of curve it around. So on this side as well, we're gonna curve around the eyeball or the mask area. And then we just kind of dip it down and just kind of connect it. So as smoothly as you can make it. I think mine is a little bit wobbly. Okay, so from here we can go up. Just go straight up, and then we're gonna draw. Just kind of go up a little bit into toward the center, and then come back down. And now for some detail, we're gonna draw another line, same as this one on the bottom. So this one's easy. We just kind of follow that curve. Let's go ahead and just add in 2 little lines like that for some detail. Okay, so from here, just take this line and extend it slightly. And then now we're going to come down. And then we're going to come down the side. And then we're just gonna connect them with the same slant. Okay, and then let's see, for some detail we can add in, let's add in another line here, another arc. Okay, and then we'll make this just come out a little bit, and we'll just kind of draw another line. These are just little details that will make it look really cool. Okay, so from here we're gonna draw the bottom. So just kind of come up, and then we can draw in, just draw in a few more of those lines. Okay, and then from here, let's keep going down. So we're gonna pinch it in, and then close it off. And then we're gonna draw a little rectangle, just kind of going up. All right, so here's the trickier part now. So there's gonna be like 2 tubes right here. So from this corner here, just draw like almost like a half circle. And on this side as well. Okay, so once you have that, we're gonna slant it up, same slant as that. And then we're gonna close it, the same curve as this. Okay, because this is a tube in perspective. So same thing here, we're gonna draw one line. Then we're gonna close it with the same curve as this. Okay, and then on the inside here, we're gonna draw more of these curves. So I'm just gonna draw one. I'm gonna draw one here. So one here, and there's one more in the middle somewhere. Okay, so that's probably the trickiest part because it's in perspective. So to finish off the face, we just kind of come up on the corners here. And then we're gonna go curve it all the way down to the tube. Curve it all the way down. And we can add in a little bit of detail right here in the ear. Okay, and then inside the mask, we can add in a couple of lines right there. Just for some detail. And then lastly, we just draw the hair. So just give it a couple of clumps, keep it simple. We're not gonna draw too much of this. Okay, so just a few. Let's move on. It's a really cool looking mask. So let's see, for the body, let's come down just slightly. And we're just gonna close it off. This is just gonna be the neck. And now we're gonna come out slightly. And then we're gonna draw, just go up a little bit because it's gonna be part of the armor. So now we're gonna draw the whole shoulder. We're gonna come out, nice and wide. Come down slightly, this is still kind of the armor part. And then we're gonna pinch it in. Going back, this is gonna be all the way to his waist. And then we're gonna close this off. So that's his shirt. So in the middle here, you can draw 2 lines. On this line right here that we went up, we're gonna come down. So we're gonna extend this down. And then now we're just gonna connect these. Okay, so these are gonna be the chest plating. So from this point here, we can connect all the way here, where we made a little turn. Okay, so that's gonna be the chest plating. So once we have this, we can add in, well, let's finish up the bottom first. So in here, we're gonna come down slightly. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna pinch it in to the center. Okay, and then you can start on the bottom here. We come down to the center, and we just gonna draw another line, same slant as these lines, and then we're just gonna go back up. Okay, and then from here, this corner here, just go out. And then just give that line some thickness. And then we can let's add in a couple of more details there. And then for this part here, we'll extend this line and just follow along this curve. These lines go all the way around. So we're extending this line and then we'll just follow along. Okay, and then in here we can add in some details. So we just add in 2 little rectangles like this, add in a few lines in the middle, and then just come across on the top. So from this corner here, just come across. Okay, so now let's connect these pieces here. So we'll just draw 2 lines connecting the armor, the chest plating. Okay, so there's a lot more detail, but we can do that later, or actually we can just skip it. Alright, so let's see. Before we draw the detail on the shirt, let's draw his arms first. So we're gonna come out right here, and it's gonna be a little bit straighter because he's wearing a suit, right? So it's kind of like a jacket. So here's the armpit. And come out. Okay, and we can actually draw. We can draw in a line here. That's gonna be his elbow. And then lower arm, we can just kind of connect, come down and just kind of close it off. And then now for his fist. So his thumb's gonna curve in, back of the hand, and then his fingers just gonna curve in. Okay, so let's draw the other arm. So this one is gonna be holding his pistol, so it's gonna be straighter. So we're just gonna come straight down the armpit area. So we're gonna come all the way down and put a line there. Keep going down. So all the way down here, and just close it off. Okay, so before we draw the hand, let's go ahead and fill in some of the details on his jacket. So his jacket's gonna come down here, just curve out. So same thing on the other side, come down and just curve out. And we'll add 2 little lines here on each arm. Okay, and then here the cuff, same thing. And then we're gonna see a little bit of padding here, so we just draw an arc like this. And we'll add in a few lines like that across. So on this coat here, his jacket, so we're gonna draw 2 lines. Circle. Then here on the side, we'll draw 2 lines like this, curve it. And it's gonna be the same kind of padding like this, so we're gonna draw these lines. Alright, so it's a really cool looking jacket, so let's move on to his hand here. So he's gonna be holding his pistol. Right here, we're gonna come out. I'm gonna turn it for his thumb. And then his palm's gonna curve. And then we're gonna have the trigger finger right there. And then we're just gonna draw 3 more fingers. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the grip from here. Point it down, and then let's see. Okay, we're gonna come out, so this gun's a little bit different. There's something on the bottom as well. Okay, so we just draw that first, and then let's draw the top first, so we know where we are. Okay, so just draw some rectangle like this on the top, and then the tip. And then here we'll slant it down because it's one piece. Alright, and then we can draw in some details. We'll cut that off, and then let's go across. And then maybe just a couple of lines there. And on the bottom as well, close that off. We'll add a little bit of detail. Okay, and then for the hand here, don't forget to close that off. Okay, so that's his pistol, so let's move on to his leg. So in the middle, come down, make a little mark. And now let's see, we're gonna come down. So it's gonna be a little bit straighter. And then his knee, just kind of give it a little bit of bulge like that. And we can actually add in a couple of lines for kind of like a fold. Okay, so same thing here. So we're gonna come down. Continue this curve all the way down to the knee. And we'll add a little bit of line there. Okay, so let's move on to the lower leg. And here, so we're gonna come out. And then we can close this off. That's actually gonna be a strap on his boot. Close it off. Dome shape going out more on this side. Just close it and give it a little bit so, and then the two straps. Okay, so let's draw the other side. So same thing, come out. Close it off. Pinch it inward. Close it off. Dome shape going out more on this side. Okay, and then the strap, so that's gonna be 1 and 2. And we need to add in some details on his pants right here. Just add in strap here. And then on the side here, we just kind of continue this line down. And that is it for this Starlord drawing. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.